This rustic lodge-style 5-bed, 3-bath home was built in 2015. It sits right on the water's edge and is surrounded by nature. Custom built with love, this house was designed to be as low maintenance as possible with a rock yard and composite decking. Bathrooms, cabinets, counters, and more have all been perfectly united to bring a cabin feel to the spacious home. Features included a loft bedroom, sunroom, large pantry, French doors, game room, a huge storage room and many unique accents. Included is a 2-slip dock with swim platform, fish cleaning station and storage shed located in the hvac cove. Furniture is custom made and can be included for extra cost. Lower level deck is covered with dry below system and wired for a hot tub. Sit lakeside and enjoy the campfire. Additional highlights: crown molding, glass etchings in each walk-in shower, a fireplace with custom